Hello, student. Good morning to all of you. As this is the second day for our trigonometric function, and for that, there's a trigonometric. Also, we should know that it only we can do the inverse trigonometry. Otherwise, we will get many problems. So, look here. Some formulas for trigonometric function we will discuss today. First formula, that is sine 2a. Sine 2a, that is equal to 2 sine a cos a, and that is also equal to 2 tan a upon 1 plus tan square a. Similarly, the second formula for cos 2a, that already we done. Cos 2a equal to cos square a minus sine square a, and cos 2a equal to, also we have 2 cos square a minus 1. One more formula for cos 2a is 1 minus 2 sine square a, and this cos 2a is equal to 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square a also. Tan 2a also we have formula. Tan 2a is equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a, and we know the a plus b formula also. Sin a plus b equal to sin a cos b, and cos a plus cos a sin b. Similarly, the formula for cos a plus b equal to cos a cos b minus sin a sin b. Tan a plus b also we have one formula. Tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. Similarly, we have to learn the formula for sin 3a equal to 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a, cos 3a equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a, tan 2a equal to 3 tan a minus tan cube a upon 1 minus 3 tan square a. Look here, same as these formulae, we have some inverse trigonometry formula also. The first formula is sine square x plus cos square x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equal to pi by 2. Sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x equal to pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y. Then here is tan inverse x plus y. In these formulae, both formulas are same. Both formulas are same. You can check only the sign of plus or minus. Then 2 tan inverse x equal to 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square equal to, the means 2 tan inverse x equal to sin inverse 2x upon 1 plus x square also, and this also equal to cos inverse 1 minus x square upon 1 plus x square also. Look here, from these two formulas I will explain you first and fourth formula, and 6 also I will explain you, and other you can do yourself. Look here, why we have this, you have to prove this sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. We suppose that sin inverse x equal to y. So from here what you get, x equal to we get sin y, and sin y you already know that this you can write cos pi by 2 minus y. And now you transfer this cos in left hand side, we will get cos inverse x equal to pi by 2 minus y. And now we transfer the y also. So after transfer the y in left hand side, we get y plus cos inverse x equal to pi by 2. Now you put the value of y again. What is the value of y is sin inverse x. So sin inverse x plus cos inverse x. So same as it is, you will prove the second and third also you will prove same as it is. There you will in second you will put tan inverse x equal to y, and then you can do, and in question third sec inverse x you will put y, and then you can do. look here, now the proof of tan inverse x and plus tan inverse y equal to tan inverse x plus y upon 1 minus xy. How we can do? Look here, this formula already we know that tan a plus b equal to tan a plus tan b upon 1 minus tan a tan b. And now here you suppose here tan a tan a equal to x and tan b equal to y. So from these what we get? We get a equal to tan inverse x and b equal to tan inverse y. Now these value you will put, these all value you will put in equation 1. So what we get? Look here, tan a means a is what is? A is tan inverse x, b is tan inverse y equal to tan a is x and tan b is y. So you will get an upon 1 minus x y. Now this tan you transfer to right hand side. So what we get? Look here, this formula is derived. This is very simple. So same as it is, you can prove the fifth also. This fifth also you will prove same as it is. Okay. Next I will prove the question number. Next formula, 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x upon 1 minus x square. I have to prove that I will use formula tan 2a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square a. So here you suppose tan a equal to x, you will suppose tan a equal to x. So from here what we get? A equal to tan inverse x. And now this value you put in formula, in this formula tan 2a upon you will put here. So look here, tan 2a, place of a we will put tan inverse x, and in right hand side this 2 tan a is x, and 1 minus x square. Now you put transfer this tan a to right hand side. So when you put in right hand side, you will get 2 tan inverse x equal to tan inverse 2x. This is very simple. So same as it is, you will do the sine inverse x, and this also you will prove. And here you will use sine inverse sine 2x formula. You will use sine 2x. This formula we already done, sine 2x formula. This sine 2x formula, this formula you will use. Okay, 2 sin a equal to 2 tan a upon 1 minus tan square you put, and here you put tan a equal to x, and you can solve. Similarly for cos, that you will use this formula, 1 minus tan square a upon 1 plus tan square equal to cos 2a, and here also you put tan a equal to x, and you can solve these two also. Okay, so these are also important. So these formula you should know, then only you can do many questions. Okay, so I hope you understand this all. Thank you for this.